Hi there, and welcome to Kindle Prime. To create your Kindle Prime account, go to kindleprime.com, then click on Register. Click on Register. Fill in your information, then click on Create Account. Confirm your email. Log in with your email and password. You will be redirected to your dashboard. The first thing you want to do is to activate your free trial. Click on Activate Trial. Select your desired plan. For unlimited plan, you get free 7 days trial. For pay-as-you-go plan, you get 200 tokens for free. Next, go to KDP account section, and add your primary KDP account. Now, go to Download section and download Kindle Prime software. Please note that you have to have .NET Framework 4.5.2 or above installed in your machine in order to run Kindle Prime software. Once download complete, install and run Kindle Prime. Log in with your credentials. The next tutorial will be on how to use Kindle Prime software.